how much more powerful is it to receive a personal video? Well, as personal as I get. I can't get your name and say, hello Tracy or hello Michael, but the closest I have is the ability to create this video that you can actually see me and you can actually engage with me, and there's a form of connection that occurs when someone creates a video for you. And that's why I've created this video, because I wanted you to see the power of video and what that could look like for you if you create a course. So the last couple of emails I've sent has been around some of the revenue that I've generated and the power of video, and as it increases across the world. You see software, also programs such as YouTube and TikTok, Instagram, and even educational platforms like Udemy and Skillshare and Thinkific growing every day. The number of people that are getting connected via video is significantly increasing. Now, as I've also mentioned previously, you don't need a lot of equipment to start as an educator or an instructor to create an online course. The course that I've created it contains everything you really need to know to get started. So this camera, it's just a Logitech webcam. I've got a Blue Yeti microphone, and I also use a screen recording software at times called Screencast-O-Matic, and I think it's only about $16 for the whole year. So probably between the webcam, the microphone, and Screencast-O-Matic, it would probably be around about $250 to get started. And that investment is amazing. You could even use your iPhone if you wanted to, or your Android device, whatever you are connected with, you can use that to start recording your videos. So this was just a quick video. I just wanted to come back and reintroduce myself, show you the power of video, and to really hope that you do start your first online course. If you haven't already, make sure you use the links within the course platforms to help you to get started. There's a 30-day free trial with Thinkific if you use my link, and therefore you can get connected, get started, have your account ready, and then follow the lessons about creating the best videos you can and creating courses on platforms like Thinkific, and then if you wish to expand to other platforms as well. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy the course if you haven't already started and you've already downloaded the outline for Thinkific. Firstly, most importantly, just take that first step. And that's the most important one. Once you start to take those steps and get momentum, then everything will start to fall in place, and have the confidence to create courses on topics that you're passionate about. Because I'm sure there's many people across the whole world that are also passionate about it, but would like to learn more, and you could be the person to help them out. So thank you very much, and I'll catch you at another time.